This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. Large 0.33-acre gently sloping lot with fine views of Cobb Mt on a quiet quality street with significant improvements of a new foundation, septic installed for a worth $12,000, water connection worth $6,500, credit for school district fees, so you have a huge head start and valuable savings off the bat. Easy to use lot with lots of room for pets to run, family to run around, or to put in those gardens you always wanted to. Seller financing on $29,000 down, 5% APR, amortized over 15 years, with a monthly payment of $475 and a balloon in 3 years. For more information, review the details below or contact Timothy Toye at 707-928-5912.